Yo, what's up guys? Teacherpaulreacts here, and today we are reacting to Alip. He's gonna be... Guys, you recommended this to me, and I can't believe... I don't know, but I think... Is he actually gonna do what I think he's gonna do? He's gonna play the guitar and solve the Rubik's Cube at the same time. That's not possible. Come on. Are you serious? Is he actually gonna do that? I don't know. We're gonna find out today. So... Without further ado, apa kabar Indonesia? Saya Teacher Paul dan hari ini kita akan menonton Alipata dan Rubik. And yeah, let's do this. Don't forget to auto subscribe and auto suka and auto copy. Copy, mana copy. Let's go. Alipata. It's so easy, right? No. He's playing the guitar like this. And now he got the Rubik's Cube. No. No! Not possible. It's impossible. He's not even looking. No, that's not possible. This man is not a man. This is an alien. What? He solved the... No, this is not... Humans don't do this. How can he play the guitar and solve a Rubik's Cube? The coordination you need. I give up. This is crazy. This is crazy. How can he... the coordination... I'm out.